You'll never guess what's arrived today. It's the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G box, a marvel of technology right here in our hands. This sleek and stylish box holds more than just a gadget. It's the gateway to a world of high-speed connectivity and cutting-edge technology. The Samsung logo shines prominently, subtly hinting at the innovation within. And the model name, the A54 5G, boldly declares its place in the next generation of smartphones. Now, who's ready to see what's inside this remarkable box? The moment has arrived. Let's open this package and discover the magic within. As we gently lift the lid, the first thing we encounter is the Samsung Galaxy, A54 5G itself, snugly nestled within the box. The phone is surprisingly light, yet feels robust and well built to the touch. Your fingers will appreciate the smooth, almost velvety texture of its casing. Dominating the front is an expansive screen, stretching almost from edge to edge, promising a truly immersive viewing experience. Moving the phone aside, we delve deeper into the box's contents. Nestled beneath are the accessories, each with its own role in enhancing the Galaxy A54 5G experience. The charger, compact yet powerful, is designed to juice up your device in no time. Then we find the earphones with their ergonomic design, promising an audio experience that's both comfortable and high quality. The USB cable, sleek and sturdy, is your conduit for both charging and data transfer. Now, let's not forget the little extras that Samsung has thoughtfully included. A clear protective case to shield your new device from the knocks and bumps of everyday use, and a pre-applied screen protector for that added layer of defense against scratches and scuffs. We also discover the SIM ejector tool, a small but crucial accessory for those eager to get started with their new device. And lastly, the user manual and warranty card, often overlooked, but essential for understanding your new device and its features, and providing that assurance of Samsung's support. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, with its sleek design and impressive screen, coupled with an array of quality accessories, certainly leaves a strong first impression. Its weight and feel in the hand suggest a device that's both practical and premium. The accessories, with their quality and utility, complement the phone perfectly, promising to enhance every interaction with this device. What a fantastic unboxing experience. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and its accessories certainly make a strong first impression. Well, there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, right out of the box. We've had quite the adventure unveiling this beauty, haven't we? From the sleek design to the impressive accessories, it's clear this device is a game changer. We've been thrilled to share this unboxing experience with you. Did you enjoy this unboxing? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please drop a comment below with your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more unboxing videos. Until next time, stay tech savvy.